Indonesian authorities announced that they had located the black box from a plane that crashed soon after takeoff on Saturday. Suryanto, the head of National Transportation Safety Committee, said on Sunday that they have deployed divers to retrieve the underwater black box soon. A massive search operation for the downed Boeing 737-500 itself is still underway. Around the crash site, search and rescue teams have so far retrieved plane wreckage, belongings, and bodily remains. The 26-year-old aircraft disappeared on Saturday at 14:40 Jakarta time, 4 minutes after takeoff from the capital Jakarta to Pontianak, West Kalimantan. It carried 62 people on board, including 12 cabin crew members and 50 passengers, including children and infants.